Okay, I'm done. That's it. Now I think YouTube's gonna show a different one. Yeah, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. Damn it. So I lost the event on YouTube. So I can't like stream back to that event. I have to create a new event. That sucks. But I have Twitch. So that's good. Okay, we're back. We're live. We're doing the thing again. Hello, C Films. Hello, Aaron. If you're there at all, I moved. I'm so sorry. I don't know. I got some messages. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, that's done. Cool. All right, we're back. I didn't know that. Like, they should say that you're streaming to have a bit rate rather than like just you know making your stream black. Anyway, all right, we're back on Twitch. We're back on YouTube. I should post that correctly. Nice. We in there. All right. Cool. Sorry about that. I can't tech. I increased my bitrate to 10,000 because I was streaming solely to YouTube for something, and YouTube wants a 10K bitrate. And then I set back up Twitch and YouTube dual streaming, and I left it at 10K. And Twitch is like, nah, bro, you ain't cool enough to give me 10K. So it wants 6K. So yeah, bad streamer, bad. My bad. Okay, yeah. Thank you for letting me know that. I saw it the other day, but I didn't like think to fix it, and now we're back. We're back. We're live. We're doing the thing. Let's get back to home labbing. Perfect. All right, where was I? All right, I was oh yeah, doing this. Okay. All right, so this should work now. So I updated this. So now I should see a GitHub action spawn. Roof. I guess I should see a spawn. ¿Qué pasó? Why did you not spawn? Is the YAML file wrong? What did I do wrong here? I would have imagined that that should have spawned a thing. Is it because it was 18 minutes ago? I'm just gonna try something real quick. I'll just push like. I think it's just this. I forget the way to do this one. This will say nothing because I already pushed this. Yeah. Is it like edit and didn't change anything, so I can just do like maybe JJ commit again. So now I just move sideways. Should this not? I forgot to hit refresh. I had to stream went dead. Yeah, my bad. I forgot that YouTube had a I couldn't stream back to the old event, so it created a new event. Or at least I forgot to stream back to the old event. I don't know if I can. So my apologies. What the heck? Why is my action not running? Oh, okay, this one did, but I didn't see it. I didn't see it here as a check. Weird. This is a weird day. 3 minutes ago. Oh, it did run. Okay, I just probably missed the logs. Line 33, column 13. Oh, I did make a mess of my file. Platforms. Is this wrong? Platforms. List of target. Oh, I'm pretty sure platforms is this. A string, a comma delimited string of platforms. I swear, if that's what it is, I'm it's okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. List CSV. Examples, multi-platform image. Yep, it is a freaking comma separated. My God, why do people do crap like this? Okay. So that should work. And yes, C-Films, I got a new keyboard, and I use the Moonlander right now, but I just got some new switches today that I'm trying out. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with all that. Okay, so that just worked. The workflow file is not valid. Oh. Did I do stupid things again? What did I do wrong here? Did I not commit this correctly? What am I missing here? If I edit, I wanted to edit this. And I made my change. I'm still learning JJ in certain ways. So I'm probably doing things wrong sometimes. But I really do like JJ. It feels ergonomic, but I'm just like not the best in it yet. And then you do a commit here. And then now it's fine. And then now I can do, so now it should be fine. Yeah, okay, now it went fine. Okay, I messed it up first. Cool, now I see what I want to see. All right, better. Man, what a day. Okay, that looks better. So it's building the container for AMD 64 and ARM 64. Great, what we wanted. Okay, and now this should push correctly. And I saw, Aaron, that you said you figured out the bug. I think I caught the message, but then I was in the middle of fixing my stream. Did you say you fixed the bug? Is that what I think I read? Aaron. Still building. It's a good sign. We have a good sign here. The ARM build is always going to take longer than the AMD 64 build because the runner is AMD 64 and is using emulation to build the ARM image. But I need an ARM image. Okay. I need an ARM image because I'm deploying it to my ARM cluster here in my office. How do I get faster bit rates or more bit rates for Twitch? I think I have to like level up and do better. I have to be better. I think that's what it is. Okay. Failed to solve. Destination public did not complete successfully. Great. Okay. Failed to render page. Execute of template failed. Error calling partial. Did this happen on both? Can I build this locally? I can build this locally. So I did get the ARM edition of Hugo. Great. I got 144.2. Great. Error building site. Failed to render pages. This one. Execute of template failed. Executing default single at partial head. Error calling partial head. Timed out. If this is just a slow template, you can increase the timeout. I might have to do that because this is running it in emulation. So I might have to just like Hugo do some timeout stuff. Poll quiet. Is there like a timeout thing? Oh, is it a config? Yep, I found the bug. I'm sending a bunch of typed events to NATS for an eventually consistent system, which then has to query the destination system to see if it already has it. Long story short, I forgot to populate an ID on one particular event, so it was querying with an empty ID, and the API was allowed it. Ah, yes. Ooh, and it returned any record. That hurts. That really hurts. Where can I do this config? Timeout. Timeout for generating page content. Set as duration. Yep, their default is 30 seconds. Where do I put this though? I guess I just put it here. Yeah, I think I should put it here. So I just do like timeout equal, and I'll just do like 120 seconds because I don't know how long the ARM build's gonna take. And I guess this has to be a string. String, yeah, okay. So let's do this. Increase Hugo build timeout. Increase this timeout to account for building ARM 64 container images using emulation, which is slow. Okay, so now 4th 7,000 time is a charm. Who knows? But the records never showed lovely time debugging. Yeah, no, that's the worst feeling when it's like you're calling with an incorrect, like you're calling with incorrect data, but you're getting data back, and like you're thinking you're fulfilling the contract or whatever, and you're not. C Films on Twitch says, I have been trying to stay busier lately in my life. I feel that, man. Me too. I'm with you on that one. I've been also trying to stay busier lately. And I've also been trying to stream more and do this stuff more, get out there a little bit more. Trying to build up over time. So we'll see. Okay, so the AMD 64 builder finished. That was cake. How long does this take? All right, so now the ARM 64 builder is building. I should probably download the modules first so I don't take too long. That's probably what I'm doing wrong as well. It took 10 seconds to collect modules. That's okay. I'm probably doing this to myself. Run Hugo mod tidy. Yeah, this is taking a long time to build because emulation is a crap. All right, better. All right, so the ARM build completed, it looks like, right? Yes, it did. Amazing. And now our problem is we cannot push. Forbidden. And I'm guessing it's forbidden because whatever token that this runner has does not have the ability to push packages. I've been focusing more on PHP, SQL, HTML, CSS, and SEO. Nice. Nice. PHP is never gonna die. Read and write permissions. Workflows have read and write permissions in their repository for all the scopes. I think I just need to create a. Let me look at this. GitHub push or GitHub actions push to GitHub container registry. Of course, there's a freaking action for it. There's always an action. Am I wrong to think that then? Tell me, Mr. Will Valida. Tell me. Using GitHub token. The recommended method is to use GitHub token. At the start of each workflow, it automatically creates a unique token. When it was in beta, you can use a package. You need to be careful about the permissions you give to Pat. With GitHub token, this comes with sufficient permissions. How? But I'm not seeing that. Permissions. I need packages. Private repositories can control. Modifying the permissions. You can see the permissions in the setup job section. Okay, so let me see what permissions this thing has in the first place. So my token, setup job. Let's go up there. Talk to me. GitHub token permissions. Actions right. Packages right. So you should be able to write. Okay. Deployments right. This right. Repository. Yeah, it should. This token should have permissions. So por qué? Why are you dying on me? Failed to push. Forbidden. What did I do wrong? That's right? GitHub container registry.io / sudo Mateo / website / latest. Push true tags. Did I do something stupid then? Login, build, push. Yep, I did the Docker login thing with my username and password. I did log in, assuming GitHub actor is still me. Docker build push. This should work. I don't see why this should okay, Docker build push. Yeah. Don't care about that. I don't want to run the commands. Like, I want to use the action. Where's the repo for this? Source code. Push to multi-registries. Push manage tags and labels. Yeah, this looks right. Log into GitHub container registry. Push. Yeah, this looks good. I don't think I'm doing anything wrong here. Why would I be forbidden when I have the permissions? I'm going to run this manually. Rerun all jobs. Why is this job called Docker? Did I actually forgot to rename it? Yeah, I did forget to rename it. Man, simple things really just make you feel dumb. Like, I'm still back to that. I'm back to the fact that, like, there's things that you should be able to do easily, and then you try to do them, and it's like, it's going to be easy. And then they're not easy. Something goes wrong, and then you just feel like I'm an idiot. You know, like, it reminds me of the Grinch thing. Like, you're an idiot. It's really frustrating, though. Why wouldn't this work, right? This looks good. Log into GitHub container registry. Tag the image. And push. Yeah, weird. I don't see why that would be wrong. I'm gonna let that run for a sec. Is there like some stupid setting that I don't have correct? General. Allow all actions. Yes. Artifact. I don't care. Require approval for external. Yeah, that's fine. The default permissions should be read and write. Allow GitHub Actions to create and approve pull requests. No. Did I not save this correctly? Maybe I didn't save this before. But I saw the permissions. The permissions said it was fine. Weird. It's very weird. I'm also gonna remove the arm real quick while I test quickly. So let me remove arm. Let me change this name to, you know, container build push. And this should be enough. I don't see why you're getting 403 forbidden when the permission seems to be okay. How did I log in? Let me see. Log into container. Run, login, username sudo. That's me. Okay, yeah. Log out true. That's fine. Logged in. And then when you do the post login, this should like log out. Yeah. Okay, weird. I'm gonna do that one more time. I actually don't need the Hugo mod tidy in here, nor do I need this ls at the bottom. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Now we run another action. This is how hours of your time get eaten up, though, which is very frustrating. It's like you want to move on to like the more important stuff you're supposed to be doing. GitHub actions GHCR 403. Talk to me, brother. I cheated with Hugo and used a pre-made GitHub action. Yeah, that I don't blame you. I did this. We can confirm that. And actions permissions. Yeah, that looks good. Related incidents. Let's just go to okay, all systems are operational, so there's no incidents. Same issue. I've been tormented by this problem for 2 days. I'm working on, sorry, we can't do much about it. It's related to GitHub infrastructure. Is there no fix for the same here? Okay, we're gonna try this permissions on the workflow. None of the permission, however, what did work was disabling logout. It turns out the issue isn't with GHCR, it's solely with action logging us out before the image is pushed. But logout is done as a post step. Oh, geez. Okay. Okay, well, it can't hurt to test, right? We'll test the explicit permissions. Well, should I need to? Let me see. GitHub. Let me go back up for a sec. The setup job is telling me that my token permissions have contents right and packages right, which is all I need because this guy was saying what? Permissions, contents, read, packages right. Yeah. Okay, so I shouldn't need to do permissions. What I will actually do is check if I'm using the latest actions for all of these. What is the latest? V3. Okay, so this looks good. Docker login, V3. Amazing. That looks good. QEMU action. QEMU action, GitHub. Q or QEMU, whatever. V3. Looks good. Docker buildx action, GitHub. Howdy, partner. What's up, man? What's up, Killer Crotch? Are you still doing a lot of Go or Rust? I'm still doing a lot of Go just because the stuff I'm working on right now is specific to Go, but I'm trying to like rapidly do more Rust. V3, so this is good. Docker build push action. And what are you? V6. Okay, so I'm using the latest versions of all this crap. Let's do log out false. See if that clears us up. Okay. Do not log out of container registry. We go again. This is my one part I hate about GitHub CI/CD is that you have to like commit a new thing to test it again. It's such a long feedback loop. Have you looked at Zig, Odin, or Nim? I have looked at Zig, did some of the Ziglings exercises. I haven't really looked at Odin or Nim at all. So I don't even know exactly what they're targeting and what their purposes are. I swear, open source is so bad sometimes. Thanks for posting. You're more likely to use a response if you move it to here, but I'm not going to respond here. Can't pull from private. Geez. Am I stupid? Am I doing something wrong? Let me just double check something here. I'm going to create an explicit token and see if this solves my issues. Because clearly I'm the idiot here. Sudo Mateo packages website. Yeah. I'm just gonna copy this because maybe I made a stupid typo. Who knows? Package settings. Manage access. Ooh, maybe this is it. I see. I have to manage add repository. Oh. Website. Can upload and download this package. Can read and write package metadata. Yep. That's okay. I'm not even gonna say why that's dumb. But that's dumb. Cool. So now I can go back here, and I should technically just be able to rerun this latest job or latest workflow, whatever the hell they call it. Rerun all jobs. Yes. Delete your GitHub. You won't. Dude, I care about this thing. I'm delete this shit right now. Where? How do you delete this? How do you do this? Developer settings? Security? How actually do you delete it? Oh, account. Delete your account. Let's go. Your username or that's not even my email. No, I can't delete it because then I'll get kicked out of work stuff. And then I'll be sadness. Although I'm really pissed off at GitHub because I want this username, this Matthew Sanabria username. I want this one, but someone has it, and I think I have it. But I think I created this such a long time ago, and I don't remember what email I used for it, and I'm pretty sure I like deleted that email, and I no longer have access to it because it was like not owned by my domain. But I want this username, and GitHub was like, we don't reclaim usernames due to inactivity. It's our policy. And I'm like, you suck. But yeah, I wanted this username, but it's okay. So here I am with Sudo Mateo because it's something that I can get access to. Ooh, is that a green check mark I see? Heck yeah, it is. Yes, it is. Okay, so packages right here. Amazing. Boom, bada boom, bada bing. It's pushed. All right, let's go back. Let's fix this. We don't need to do this log out like we've expected. Linux, ARM64. I think that was it, right? Yeah. CI, CD, build ARM64 again. Bookmark, git push, and we're going to be a good internet person. And we're going to go back to those issues that people saw, specifically that one issue. Where was it? The one issue. GitHub action GHCR 403. This, we're going to go to this one. Oh, it's locked. Okay, so I can't actually like comment on this, but I'll go to this discussion if I can. Yeah, perfect. And I'll go here and say like, you have to go to what was it? Packages? Your profile? Packages? Go to your packages. I want to like see it again. Packages. Can I create a package? How do create? Do you all see the button to create a package? How do create? Okay, I guess not. Let's go back to this. Let's go back to this. Let's just delete this for a quick second. I just want this screenshot real quick. And then we can just add it back. Add it. Right. Okay. I'm going to put a comment on this discussion. For those that struggled with this like I have, you have to go into the package settings itself and grant the repository access to the package before secrets.github token will work. Mustard. Is it Harmthaniel? Okay, sorry. I missed chat. I had the same problem with a Twitch username of mine. A mutual friend of ours worked at Twitch, used a power. Yeah, I reached out to my mutual friend working at GitHub, and they were adamant that we could probably get the username back. And then when I actually like went through it, they were like, "Nah, we don't do it anymore." And I was like, "Whatever, dude." I do have many friends at GitHub, but yeah, they can't do it anymore. It's probably because they're owned by Microsoft now. I think if I would have got in earlier before they were Microsoft owned, I probably could have got it done. Mustard, yeah. Hello, friends. Oh, did this not comment? What's going on here? Yeah, I commented. Oh, look at that. I have my own upload. My own me. All right, cool. We have containers building now. 40 minutes later. Hey, such a waste of life. This is gonna get 403 because I temporarily killed it, but I should be able to rerun this. Guys, I need you. I know you're on Twitch watching me, and that's great, and I love it. Like, thank you. You're amazing. Thank you for that. I need you on YouTube though. Can you go to the YouTube stream, because I need to get my hours up so I can get the channel to the next level. So can you just open the YouTube one, please? That would just be great. No, fuck YouTube. fuck yo YouTube. Listen, man, I don't have time to record the videos and edit them, so I've been getting my hours up with streams instead. So Oh wait, am I not allowed to say that? Because then Twitch is gonna be like, you're not allowed to tell people to leave the platform. Listen, I just lurk, man. Okay, just lurk. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Where am I? Let me see. I'll show you. It was analytics. Earn. It's an earning. I need 3,000 watch hours in the last year, which is actually not hard to get, or 3 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. And I'm not creating no damn shorts. At least like not like as consistently. Vertical video. Disgusting. Are views account unique? I think so. I think that's only a problem if you're a partner live on Twitch. Good, because I'm just an affiliate, so that works. All right, and I actually want to build... Oh, now that I'm here, and now that I have this working better, I actually wanted to build two types of images. I want to build GitHub, build push action. Hey, Papa, come here. Come here. Theo, come here. Come here, Papa. Come here. Come here. Up. Come here. Up. Come here. Up. That's my Papa's. This is my puppy. I don't know if you can see him well. This is one of my two doggies. I love you, buddies. Okay, go lay down. I know you want to go lay down. That's my newer dog. Can I do multiple tags? How do I do multiple tags? Comma delimited string. List type is a new line delimited. Oh, I like this better. Can I do that for tags? Tags. List of tags. Is this a list type though? I hate actions. GitHub actions is so bad. Why am I even using this? Oh, there we go. List CSV, list of tags. I guess I should be able to do this, which is much more readable. And I want this to be SHA or whatever the variable is for the SHA. So I think I can do this for platforms too. I can do this, which is much more readable. Yeah, it looks good. GitHub actions SHA variable. I don't really know what it's called. GitHub action ref. No, I think it's just .ref. The fully formed ref of the branch or tag. I don't want. Well, I want like the commit then. It's github.sha. Okay. Hi, I'm new here. Hi, new. I'm Matt. Ads on Twitch, so moving to YouTube. Oh, short ads. Oh yeah, I think that is a thing now. Oh, sorry. I should probably be a better streamer and like care about that stuff. I think there's like an ads manager I can do now. Since last ad, is that it? Maybe not. No, I don't want that. I don't want this. Active mods, ads manager. Yeah, I can add this thing. How does ads manager work? Get a heads up. This will show you when ads are coming. Oh, cool. This is cool. Okay. Control here. I'll show you what I got. Control when ads run. Need to make ads run at a good time. We got you covered. You can run ads in advance and reduce your chance. Get more time if you can also snooze schedules. Okay. And you can set up a schedule. Cool. So I can like check. I can like check whether ads run. That's cool. Ad starts in 14. Oh, I guess I can pull this from the API then. Very cool. I have to like figure that out. I just need an average of 3 viewers over 30 days. I think I am an affiliate, right? How do you find your level? Settings? Affiliate. Yeah. Yeah, I'm one of these guys. I'm a thing. Can you like see your level somewhere? I don't know. Whatever. Oh, analytics? Was it analytics? Overview? Revenue. Oh, $2.87. Let's go. Oh, path to partner. Perfect. So I am an affiliate, and I can stream for 25 hours plus stream on 12 different days plus average of 75 viewers, which I am nowhere near. That's cool. Oh, I didn't save that stupid layout. Ah, damn it. Sorry, I keep meaning to save this dumb layout, and I keep forgetting to do it. Bad streamer, bad. Bad streamer, bad. Let's put this up there. Let's put this here. Where's this save button for this thing? Is it here? Where's save? Hello? Am I missing this? Is there a save button? Is it behind this? Oh, it is behind this. It's look at this UI. This is look at this. Look at it. It's literally behind there. How am I supposed to know this? What intern made this dashboard? I can get rid of these things up here. I can get rid of subpoints. How am I supposed to click the button? I know, we do this. There we go. Jeez, man. Okay, that's done. I swear it's not me. It's not me. Gotta love the Twitch UI. It's not me, I swear. Okay, so I want these two tags to be pushed. I want latest for sure, and I want the SHA. So that way I can like deploy that. And build those two. Yeah, this is all I need. So JJ diff. Build latest and SHA. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere, man. Thank God. And now I have a package, I guess. Packages, website. And now if I go to latest, I should see two. Yeah. Unknown. Oh, is this the stupid attestation? I think that's what this is for. I faced this before in another place. Okay, learn more about packages. How can I like details? Latest. There was a way to see like the JSON, the JSON. Ah, here we go. This is better, I think. I think if I click one of these. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. This one is probably the unknown. And this one is probably like ARM or something. Okay, cool. So I have this working. And now that means this should be running. Perfect. And I should get now, instead of just latest, once this is done, I should get two packages. I should get a package for latest and a package for the SHA. So I'll wait for that to finish. And then we can test deploying the website in one way at least. This is almost done. All right, exporting. That's the ARM build. Yeah, ARM build. Okay, that got pushed. Now I refresh, and now I have the SHA. Amazing. Okay, let's do it. Let's make a change to the site now. So we don't need the Docker file anymore. This shit can go away. Bye. Let's make a change to the site. Let's do, I don't know, about hello everyone, I'm Matthew Sanabria. I'll put an exclamation point there. Okay. Let's do that. MISC minor site change for testing. So I should push that. Now, if I go to the website deployment in Kubernetes, I should be able to go to the image. Instead of deploying latest, I'm going to deploy whatever SHA comes out of here. All right, we're getting somewhere. And then I guess I'll get started on the dynamic DNS thing. All right, wait for this to build so I can get the thing into thing. And I technically already know the SHA ahead of time. I know it's going to be this commit. So if I technically went like this and grab this and I updated the deployment right now, my containers won't start. It'll get a crash loop back off. Yeah, image can't be pulled. Perfect. This is what I'm talking about. Yep, not found. Great. Image pull back off is what I'll see until this image is built. Which is almost done. All right. So Twitch ad will start in 6 minutes and 50 seconds. That's cool. This is nice. I see how this works now. I'm starting to get a peek behind the scenes. I understand life now. All right, now this container that's in image pull back off, I can delete it and a new container will take its place, and this should create, yeah, perfect. And now if I describe this container, the image should be the SHA. And if we now go to my website and reload the about page, which I think is actually hidden, it has the exclamation point. Great. So now we have the website building and deploying a container image, but we don't have automated deployments to Kubernetes. I don't want to tackle that tonight. I'm going to start doing the dynamic DNS stuff, I think, instead. That feels better. But first, I'm going to really quick let this puppy out. And technically, can I I guess on Twitch, can you skip to the ad? You know what I mean? Can I just say, hey, run it now? Oh, running 1 minute, 30 seconds manually remove the upcoming auto ad. Cool. I'm going to click that button and I'm going to put my dog out real quick. Be right back. Monetize the shit out of all you. I'm going to monetize everything about you. Be right back. Let's go. Monetize you all. You can hear me. Bad streamers, bad. Restream's latency is kind of bad for like my preview. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I see why the Primeagen pulls up like all 3 chats. I see it now. He pulls up like the YouTube chat, the Twitch chat, and all that stuff. I feel so used. Yeah, I'm gonna use the shit out of all you. Here, I got you. $1 bill, bro. Here, I got you. Should here you go. I put a YouTube poll. Have fun. Vote. Do the votes. Can I do a Twitch poll? I don't even know. I don't know what I can and can't do in Twitch. I'm a noob. All right, so that's doing its thing. So I'm not actually going to do that part. What I do want to do now is kill that. Do I still have? Can I like SSH into my gateway? Yeah, okay. Oh, let me do some real quick. Oh, that should have been there. Huh. Let me go back. I want to do dynamic DNS. So now that I'm hosting more stuff at home, which is good, you should host stuff at home. But my website is hosted from home. However, I'm just going to edit something real quick. Font size 16. I don't remember the key binding. Reload config. Oh, that's huge. 14. That feels better for stream. Okay. Now that I have my website and stuff hosted from home, now that I have more stuff at home running, I want to do dynamic DNS. And like if you look at my DNS for matthewsonhardware.dev, which is my website, it's being proxied through Cloudflare, right? So if I went to some weird place, that'll make it through. But like if I took my website down, which let me do it for a sec. Deploy, scale 0. Now my website's down. So if I refresh this page, you'll get like the Cloudflare, hey, I'm trying to route you to the place, and it's down. So like I'm proxying, this website's going through Cloudflare because it's using Cloudflare for DNS. So it gets the ability to like proxy my connections, which is nice because it gives me some like DDoS protection, some security, blah, 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 blah. But under the hood, Cloudflare knows my public IP for my home. And that public IP can change at some point. And when it does change, or if it does change, I need to like tell Cloudflare, hey, your shit's changed. Like, my IP's changed. Please update the DNS record so nothing goes down. So I'm going to work on that for a little bit before I go to sleep. And the way it works is I'm using Unify. So sh. Great. Echo term. Oh, that's why. That's weird. Export term equals. Why can't I? Can I clear? Okay. Oh, I have to do Control L to clear. Okay. What I want to do is do dynamic DNS, and how did I do that before? Oh, I guess I can't see that. Damn, I guess it doesn't keep my history. Crap. There's a protocol that I forget what it's called now. I always search it like this, I think. DynDNS/nic/update. Yeah, this. There's like a protocol. No, not this one. I think it's like, I thought I bookmarked the damn page, but I don't think I did. Update API. Yeah, this thing. And I think there is a dev resource for this. Is it this one? No. Perform update detect return code. There you go. Okay. It is going to, like, Unify is going to send me, or let me see. Oh, I didn't mean to hit that. Unify dynamic DNS custom. Unify is going to send me, like, I can configure my Unify gateway to say, hey, when my public IP changes, run a dynamic DNS command and do the thing. And let me actually, I'm gonna open this in another tab real quick to see something. Settings, WAN, I think it's a WAN setting. Yeah, dynamic DNS. Custom, right, okay, this is right. Perfect. And when it wants to send me an update, it makes a API request to an address that I can give it. I forgot how it does authentication though. Yeah, I forgot how it does. I know it does /nic update, and it gets the host name and the IP. I don't remember how it does auth. Is it just basic auth? I guess. I don't remember that. Let me log into Unify and check. What do you do for dynamic DNS Unify? You do username, password. Yeah, so this must be basic auth. Server. Okay, that's fair. So technically it'll hit this. This is all I have to implement technically. If I remember correctly, I have to be able to handle, I can put this in personal, I guess. And I guess I can put this home lab, or maybe not. Go mod init DynDNS. Oh, right. I always forget go mod needs a directory first. Yeah, so let's do this. So I need to respond to something like this with, what the hell is the response now? It's like good. Yeah. This is like the dumbest API ever. I don't know if any of you ever like tried to do this, but the dynamic DNS protocols are like so stupid. They don't use HTTP like status codes. They use like the response body to like mean something. So I just have to send back good and like the IP that I set the thing to. So yeah, let me just hack at this for a sec. So what do I actually need here? I guess this could be a library actually. This can be like a, excuse me. I guess this can be like a DynDNS library. I don't actually know what I want to call this yet. I'll call it foo. Okay, package foo. And I guess this thing is going to have to, no, I can't make this a library because I want to actually respond over HTTP. Yeah, let's just make it a main package. That's fine. I was thinking about doing the KHCon job for what? For me deploying my website or for me dynamic DNSing? Did I update the Go? Oh, I did upgrade. There you go. Cool. We're using the latest. Let's like play around with this for a sec. Oh my god. Mux equal. Is it a get? Are they going to do an HTTP get? I think so, right? It is a get, right? Does it say? Yeah, it's a get. Ah, here. This is better. This is what I need. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so you handle that. DynDNS. Yeah, I could do a cron job. I can just say, hey, what is my IP? And then like every now and then do it. But I'm trying to, trying to be better. Trying to be better and respond to the events. I don't know. I just figured it'd be fun to implement this really quickly. Or at least like get it started tonight before I go to bed. So a get request to /nick update should be handled by this function. And what does this function need to do? It needs to do a couple things. It needs to read query params, host name, my IP. It needs to process basic auth. This is kind of optional technically. And that should go first. And then it needs to do actual DNS update and respond to client. All right, so this is really all I need to do here. And there we go. So I know Go, the new versions of Go have the ability to get the query params, I think, right? Isn't it like your URL query get Oh no, I think I meant I was conflating path params with query params. But yeah, I do want query params. So host name, my IP, host name equal that, IP equals this. If the host name's empty, we're gonna bail. Basically the same thing for the IP. Yeah. Okay, so that's my query parameters. Now that I have my query parameters, I would want to I'm just gonna format that print line this, format that, or I'll just do a log. I'll do logger equal slog dot new text handler. Is this the right way to do this now? OS dot standard error, slog handle options, and I think that was it. I think that's all I need to do a logger. And every time I get one of these, logger dot did I do this wrong? I haven't used slog in a minute. Slog go. I'm just making sure I'm doing this right. Let's see. Oh, it's slog new. Now I get like the info. Yeah, okay, cool. Helps when you do things correctly. Logger.info, and let's just say updated DNS. And let's put host name, IP. Okay, so I have this so far. And then we can do server. Can't type. All I need is an adder. So I need the mux in here. Oh wait, sorry. Let's just do 0, 0, 0, 0. And 8,000 is fine. Put the mux in there. I don't need any other I'll use default configs for now. Server.listen and serve. If error. Yeah, this looks better. And it'll just panic here. It's fine. Who cares? Okay, so now we have a basic server that's gonna read the query params and just log. All right, so let's just make sure that this is looking good. And I'll just do logger.info, listening. Oh, missed that. All right, so that's listening. And then now if I do curl HP localhost, if I just do foo, it'll just give me nothing because that's 8,000. Yeah, 44. Great. But if I do /nick update, Oh, I forgot to bail out. Let me do bail logic here. So let's bail. So let's just say like w dot. I don't even think this cares about headers. Update parameter. Return codes. Yay, I was able to capture stream. Yeah, I'm glad you're here. I don't think this even cares about headers. I can just like literally respond. Let's do respond. Bad auth, no. No change, no. Abuse. Not. That's the only errors I can do. The user agent was not set. Good. Code good. No change. I'll just do no host for this one. So I'll just write back. Write. No host. And I'll just do like rip. And then here. Actually, should this be... I do want to write the status code, so I guess it should be like HTTP status okay, I guess, even though it's a negative case, and we'll return there. Okay, so that'll be fine. I should extract this out. Is there a better error code here? Num host not FQDM, abuse, bad agent, DNS error, 911. That's funny. Yeah, I guess that's it. Hostname IP. Hostname IP. I'm gonna respond with 911 here. Just because I can. Okay, so now if I run this again, I got no host rip. Amazing. But now if I give it a host name equals matthewsnobrita.dev, this needs quoting because I'm in a shell. Now I get 911 rip. Good, because now I don't have the IP. But if I give it host name and my IP equals 1.1.1.1, that's doing a thing. Amazing. Okay, so that's that. And then I'm going to respond to the client here again in the good case and say status okay, good, format.sprint, and let's do good %s %v for IP, and we'll format all this code, and that's done. Okay. Oh wait. Sweet. All right. So this is like the basic workings. So now I need to extend this to like actually reach out to Cloudflare and like make a record. So that'll happen like here. Reach out Cloudflare. LL901. Yeah, and that's like that's one of the valid codes that I can return. It's weird. Such an interesting API. I don't have access. Okay, I need to think about this architecture, how I want to do this. So I'm gonna draw. So don't mind me. I'm gonna draw. Oh, I left the heart here. I'm so nice. Let's draw how it's gonna work, because it's getting late and I should be nice to myself and go to bed soon. But I want to describe this. So you have here's my home network, right? My home router. All right, isn't this how they draw routers? I forget. This is my home like WAN, and it has let's just call it IP 123.4. Like this is the IP that it has. So Unify sees IP change on NIC, hits webhook with info, and then you hit up Cloudflare new IP. Yep, that's the idea. Excuse me. That's the idea. But I think I might do a different architecture. So like this is my IP, right? Like so IP is this. And you know, all the internet is using it, right? INET. Great. 24-hour stream. You know, I would stay up and chat with you all and shit, but I had a long day today. I do want to. I'm going to stream more Oxide work too, which is good. So I'm going to do that. That would probably be more during the day, maybe after hours if I'm like working on something open source and you know I'm in the mood to do it. But we'll see. Oh, very cool. So I didn't. This is like I'm sorry. Looking at the Twitch thing. You're not weak, are you, Matthew? No, I'm strong like bull. Strong. Excuse me. All right, so this is how the internet sees me. So it like reaches out to my home network, and it's gonna like it's finding my IP, right? And this IP is mapped to Matthew. I'm not gonna write the whole thing out, but Matthew.dev, right? Like my website. When I'll have this like service running, so I'll call this like DynDNS. DynDNS. This service is running. My router knows how to like do a /nic update when the IP changes. So it knows how to send that somewhere. And this is gonna be my service, right? My Go service. Or I'll probably actually just write it in Rust. I just didn't want to do it tonight because I'm so sleepy, and I'm more proficient in Go right now. So my router knows how to say, hey, my public IP changed. I'll run /nic update against whatever service. And now this service has a job to do. It could either, option A, go to my DNS provider, which is Cloudflare, right? It can go to my DNS provider and say, hey, IP is now, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And I should probably put that there. My IP equals 5, 6, 7, 8. So my service can go up to Cloudflare and say, hey, Cloudflare, if you have a record, update it to this new IP. This will work. However, the problem with this is if my service is down and it misses the NIC update, I don't update the DNS record. Or if my service doesn't miss the NIC update and it sends the request to Cloudflare to do the update and there's an error there, I have to retry that. And like that's fine. I don't think that's a bad thing per se. But I'm going to want to update more. Excuse me. I'm going to want to update more records than just one DNS record, right? Like matthewsnobber.dev. I want to use my home address for like my home IP for more DNS names. So like maybe matthewsnobber.dev and then matthewsnobber.com or matthewsnobber. Whatever. Like I want to use it for more than one. And I don't really want to make, multiple API requests to Cloudflare to be like, update this and this and this and this. And then I have to handle the logic of being idempotent and saying, hey, Cloudflare, do you have a record already? Oh, yes, you do. Update. Oh, it's out of date. But I don't want to handle that. So what I'm thinking instead is have maybe Terraform do this for me. So I could have like a Terraform workspace somewhere, maybe in Terraform Cloud, or maybe I don't even use Terraform. Maybe I'll use like one of the replacements. But I have a workspace running somewhere. It knows how to automatically reconcile Cloudflare records using the provider. And instead of me going to Cloudflare myself, I can set like a var of the new IP and then trigger run. I like this better because then now it's just a variable change and I trigger the run, and I can also have like this running on a loop, right? I can say like, hey, refresh this periodically. So that way, even if I did update the variable and I forgot I didn't trigger the run or the run errored, I can have that re-update. I think that makes more sense to me because then I don't have to have the Cloudflare logic in my program. My program is very simple. It's more dumb. It just takes IP, sets it somewhere. I think that's fair. Okay, I think I'm going to do it this way. That feels better that I wrote it down. And then it doesn't matter what host name or anything anymore. I could actually ignore the host name that my router sends me because the whole dynamic DNS protocol has my IP and host name. I could just ignore host name and just be like, what is my public IP? Set that in Terraform and then use that for whatever records I have to create. Okay. I like this. I like it. This makes me happy. I think that I'm going to do this on stream next. Like my next stream. Yeah, that makes sense. And then that'll solve my dynamic DNS problem. What can go wrong? My dynamic DNS server. I don't know how often Unify sends. Unify DynDNS custom. I don't know how often it sends things. Blah, blah, blah. Like if I sent it an error, does it retry? Yeah. Does it retry? That's the question. Like, can I trust? I don't know if I can trust Unify to like, if it tries to send me an update saying, hey, your public IP changed and I'm not there to receive it, or if I don't like do it correctly, will it try to retry later? I don't think I could trust Unify to do that. Which brings me back to what Aaron said before. Maybe I just run my service in a cron job. Like it also listens for Nick update. Like I can still have that service, but maybe just as a backup, I just run a cron job that like reaches out to like whatismyip.com, gets my IP, and then sends that to Terraform as like a backup. That might be the play, because I can deploy that pretty easily as a Kubernetes cron job. Yeah, I think that would work. So maybe over here, cron job ? And then I'll draw a little reconciliation loop for myself. Yeah, and then this will like do the thing. Okay, that makes sense. Fancy, but are you trying to access the IP from different machines? Just wondering why not something like DNS mask. Oh yeah, this is literally going to be my public IP for my house. Like I have my website served in my house right now, and so if my public IP ever change, I need to make sure the DNS records get updated. So that's what it's for. That's what it's actually for, at least. This makes sense. I think I like it. Just staring at it for a second to see if there's anything else wrong. I've been wanting to like just do the little custom dynamic DNS thing. So that's really simple to implement. So I'm going to do that. But then also I think the cron job idea is a smart idea too. Slower technically, because it's, if you miss an update, you have to wait at least cron job time period before it'll re-update. I can set that really low, like running every 5 minutes. But I don't know. I'm trying to be cool, Aaron. I'm trying to be like you with using gnats and stuff, you know? Like things that are more consistent. Let me go let my dog in real quick because I hear them both barking at each other. We're back. I think Restream filters out any message that has domain in it. Does it? Why, you tried to type something and it couldn't do it? Domain. Oh, like a URL? Is that what you mean? Or the word domain? That might be, and you're on YouTube. That might be a setting from me. I don't, let me see. I didn't like touch any settings, so maybe this is just the default. Is there like a YouTube chat, community moderation, settings, moderator, all chat channel, block words, block links. URLs sent in live chat are already blocked. If you select this option, new comments with hashtag and URLs will be held. Wait, but where are the links? How are the links blocked? I'm gonna fix it, Felix. Hold on, look. It says URLs sent in live chat are already blocked. Is that something I can change? I don't think can I change that? Matthew dot, I can send it, right? Yeah. https://matthew.dev. I can send things. Can I like leave YouTube live allow URLs? Link URL. I don't even know where that setting is. If you all know where that setting is, let me know, because I don't know how to like let it URLs placed in long form. I just don't know where that is, because you don't see them there either. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea how to. Oh, I should have ended this poll a long time ago. Bad. Perfect. Everyone clicked yes. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know where that setting is. I'll look after stream and see if I can find it. But I get why they don't allow it. Partition moderation activity. Moderation activity. Try to send URL real quick, like in the YouTube chat. I want to see if the moderation thing will show me anything. I guess it doesn't show me anything. That's weird. Twitch, I know I explicitly disabled URLs in Twitch chat. Like I clicked that setting because people on Twitch they nasty girls. Above this is a link. I don't see that link, as you can see me showing you. But what if I go here? Yeah, I don't even see that. That's crazy. I'm gonna take a look at it. All right, so you were saying that why not point matthew.dev to my home, matthew.dev, and update the IP. Can point as many domains as you want there. Wait, I might not be following what you're saying there. Why not point matthew.dev to my home IP? Oh, why not point matthew.dev to like home.matthew.dev and then like update that one? I could do that way too. I could do it either way. I don't mind updating multiple records with the same IP. Like, because I'm going to have more than just matthew.dev stuff. I'll have like, you know, analytics for something else, or I'll have another domain, and either one works, honestly. I can like CNAME around or whatever, or I can update one record and do CNAMEs or whatever, like you're kind of suggesting, or I can have multiple records that get updated. But Cloudflare is not bad. Like, not Cloudflare, sorry, Terraform. Like, the provider is really not bad. So I can just do like this DNS record. I could just do like a bunch of these records and just do like, I'll just put it in here. I'll just do this essentially. And like the content will be like, you know, var.home IP. So like even if it has to update like 20 records, it doesn't matter. I just change it once in Terraform, tell the trigger to run, and it'll like do the whole thing. I think it's fair. Yeah, I don't know. Both are probably good. But yeah, I think that'll work out for me. I think. I just have battle scars, so it felt overcomplicated. No, I agree. It does feel a little overcomplicated, but I think if I put it through Terraform, it makes my life easier because it'll handle like the item potency and the retrying stuff, and it just simplifies my side of the house, which is not bad. Yeah, that's not bad. Before I end, I actually want to do a SAD server because I talked about it yesterday, and I want to do one. So I'm going to do a SAD server. Oh, let me put you all back over on the screen so I can monitor your crazy chats that you all do. You fools. I think my SSH key changed, so I might have to change this. Make money, pricing, logout, scenarios, dashboard. Edit. Public key. 1 password. Is this my public key still? Sure. Update. I want to do a scenario. Y'all can help me. Let's do easy, medium, or hard. Let's see what we have available. I did almost all the hard ones. Okay, I don't want to take up to 60 minutes, so I'm not going to do a hard one right now. Restore my SQL database. That sounds pretty simple. Lisboa. Let me maybe see one that would be cool. A cannot connect to B. Kubernetes stateful set least known characteristic. This sounds fun. All right, there's a Kubernetes server or Kubernetes cluster with 2 worker nodes and 2 pods in the node and a stateful set. Their manifests are identical except for a different kind of Kubernetes resource. Make the node hosting the pods unavailable. For example, yeah. After waiting about a minute, Make the stateful set run on the available node. Ooh, I might not be able to do this one. I might not know this. Scared. I don't want to struggle in front of people. Scared. Very scared. I don't know anything about web server gateway, blah, blah, blah. Etsy SSL. There's an etcd server running. Get the key for value foo. Okay, I never used etcd like that before, but that should be fine. Kubernetes pods crashing. Do not change the manifest. This one feels good. Yeah, I think that one feels good. Oh, they have an XZ challenge. That's cool. How much do you press? Oh, compress. That's cool. Yeah, let's do that Kubernetes one. I think that's going to be a fun one. Let's do it. Let's do it. Whew. I am getting sleepy, though. I did not sleep a lot last night, and then I woke up early, and then had a long day. I blame this cute dog right here. This one. Where is my... Right here. All right, we're in. So what does this want me to do? All right, looks good. Why is this not working? Hello? There we go. Okay. All right, so what's this challenge? Why am I window snapping being weird? There are two pods, Logger and Log Shipper, living in the default namespace. Unfortunately, Log Shipper has an issue and it's crash looping, and it's forbidden to see what Logger is trying to say. Could you help fix Log Shipper? Do not change the definition of Log Shipper. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. kubectl. All right. Can I just do canines, bro? Can I just install canines real quick and just do it this way? Let's just do that. Canine. I don't want to use kubectl, dude. I ain't about that life. What are we? We're x86. Let's download K9s real quick. K9s.tar.gz. K9s is literally the best, yeah. Okay, what do we have? Can I not use this? Config get con. Unable to read this. Please start server. Permission denied. Oh, did they told me to use sudo, right? Is that what this is trying to tell me? Do not change Kate. Use sudo. Unless this is part of the challenge, I guess. All right, let's figure it out. Well, let's see what this does. Let's do get pause-l. Okay, so this must be like part of what's going on here. So we have an error here. I'll put it at the top. Oh, sorry. Unable to read Etsy Rancher K3S. Please start server with right kubeconfig mode to modify kubeconfig permissions. Permission denied on this location. Okay, so let's track this down. This is root. Let's just change mode of this. So let's do 60644 of this location. Let's do. Okay, cool. So now we're in with Kubernetes like config, but this doesn't know how to use that. Rancher. I'm guessing this is a kubeconfig file, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Okay. So export kubeconfig Etsy Rancher K3S, and then now K9 should use it. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Now we're in. I bet since using K3S, it's in Etsy Rancher. Yeah. Ah, look at that. Running error. Okay, so what does it want me to do? 2 pods, logger and log shipper are living in default namespace. Unfortunately, log shipper is dying. So let's see what's going on with it. Crash loop back off. When calling core AP1, I can't even speak. When calling core v1 API is forbidden. So this maybe is service account related. Yep, failure. Logger is forbidden. It's using the system service account default log shipper SA. Can't get resources pod log and API group in the namespace default. Okay, so this is this seems like a service account issue. So there is this log shipper service account that has the ability to do certain things. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit that one. Can I edit this? I don't know much about service accounts. I'm not the best with service accounts, so I don't know. This is just a service account though, and isn't it like a role binding? No, rules. How do I edit these rules? The server doesn't have a resource type policy. I see it when I was going fast. No, actually I want to do something real quick. Pod service. I don't know the semantics around service accounts as much, but let me get the error, the logs from this real quick, so I can have it real quick. Temp error.log. Okay. I know that this pod is using this service account, the Logshipper SA service account, and is trying to get pod's log in API group. Can't get this resource, and it's forbidden. Is this cluster role something that I don't know much about? I didn't get to this part in the Kubernetes docs, dude. Okay, I didn't get here yet. I'm bad person. API groups, resources, pod logs, verbs, lists. Should this just be get as well? And I guess hold on, I don't remember what the didn't they say it was like API log? No, I don't know if there's a different API group. I think it was just a default API group. Get list. Let's just update that for now. Pods, crash loop, back off, cat temp error. Yeah, so it was service count can't get resource pods log, which is fine. In API group empty, in namespace default. Yes, and it's doing a get. So that cluster role binding should have been one part of enough. Let me delete this pod and see if it's new pod. Oh, hey, perfect. So it's running. So that was one part of it, looks like. Was that it? That's it. Check my solution. Hey, we did it. Look at us. Look at us. We do the thing. I thought it was gonna ask me to do more, but it was just to get that one pod running. So yeah, that one was an interesting one. That was just the service account didn't have the right like RBAC permissions to do the thing it was trying to do. That wasn't bad. That was a fun one. Nice. No, this is a problem. Now that I did one, I have the itch. I have the addiction to do it again. Hey, I'm still in the top 20 of this SAT servers though. What's up, man? Okay, we do one more. We have to. I can't just leave. Renew an SSL cert. These all right. Let's do a medium again. We do another. Sorry, we have to do it. We can't not do it. Here, you all pick one of these. Pick one of these mediums. Pick no, not the WSGI. I don't know anything about that. Etsy DSSL, disk space. Parlez-vous français? Between two C's. Restore MySQL database. Restore MySQL database spooked by ghost. I had a scenario we gave like that for hiring. I had one of those too at one point. Helm chart issue with Kubernetes. How much do you press? That's compression. Prometheus can't scrape the web server. Security snag. The trials of Mary and John. The first walls of Postgres. Supervisor still around. Nginx with Brotli. I don't actually know what that is. XZ. SQL. Minneapolis with Vengeance. Break a CSV file. That's cool. Finding the multitasking users. Troubleshoot A cannot connect to B. Kubernetes stateful set. Which one of these? Any of these sound interesting? How much do you press? You have been tasked with compressing the file home admin names, which is like 35k bytes. No, no, no. I don't know. No compression. No, no, no. Scary, scary. Prometheus can't scrape. A developer created a Go application that's exposing metrics. They have a problem with scraping. All right, let's do this one. This one seems cool. Let's do it. My dog is just spread out in the whole floor right now. Love that dog. Okay. Wow. Restream really is has high latency compared to the rest. Okay, we go to this place. Admin at this location. Compression sounds almost too easy. It could be, or it could be like annoying, like, you know, annoyingly hard. Okay. A developer created a Go application that's exposing a metrics endpoint. The app code is here in app. So ls app tree app sudo app or sudo apt get install tree. Okay, sudo su minus. Okay, can't go to sudo, can't do the thing. Can't install any things. It's fine. I'll just cry. Oh, there's like nothing in here. Okay, cool. Cool. There's nothing recursive. So we have source code, and it's supposed to be serving on /metrics, and it runs this script. So let's just see what the script's trying to do. No. Okay. So vi this script. So all this is trying to do is curl localhost 9000 /metrics, and if it can get it to 200, it's doing the thing. Great. Okay. Let's first things first. Let's look at listening ports. So I see the Go service, or I see there's a port listening on 9000, and if I curl localhost 9k /metrics, put a little -v in it. Okay, so I have connected to the server on 9000. I have a method not allowed, and the server, you know, gave me a 405 back. Cool. Can I like rerun this code? Oh, it's running as a Docker container, right? Yeah. Okay, so this is running as a Docker container. So I guess I can just Docker, is it Docker dash compose or Docker compose? ls. Yeah, okay, so I can run Docker compose. All right, so I can make modifications. I don't have Helix on this machine, so we're gonna do vi. All right, so take a look at the Docker file. From Golang workdir app, copy go mod, go yep, go arch AMD64, go build, expose, and command. So we're in the /app, it builds this to main, and it runs it. So this doesn't look like we have to like modify the Docker file. Docker compose, very simple, one service, restarting always, port mappings, has a volume for the API, and it has Prometheus running next to it doing that thing. Okay, cool. So that looks fine. Go mod, nothing in here is crazy. And then let's look at Prometheus real quick before we go to the Go. This is just Prometheus config, metrics path /Prometheus, targets Golang 8000. So these look obviously wrong. So we'll come back to that. And let's look at main.go. All right, so this is very simple. Has a new router, handling /metrics for posts. We obviously want this to be gets. does Mux do? I haven't used Gorilla Mux in so long. Gorilla Mux Golang. Yeah. Just give me the Go package.dev for this thing. Methods. Okay, so it takes one or more methods. So I can just do method get and post serving on 9000. So this looks fine. And then Prometheus.yaml. And this should be /metrics Golang 9K. Docker compose down. Docker compose up. Oh, I meant to do Docker compose up -d. And then what was the script? No. Okay, so we're still getting no. ¿Por qué, Maria? Why you do this? Method not allowed. Did I screw this up? Oh, I think I'm an idiot. I don't think I did Docker compose build to like refresh the app. Always forget to do that. Literally always forget to do that. I stay deploying old shit all the time. Also, definitely no sponsor, no nothing. This water is fantastic. Yeah, just letting you know. The Mountain Valley or whatever. Actually, no, I shouldn't let you know because then you're going to take this water and raise the price. This is so good. Does it build a container on compose up? Not if it's already built with the same tag. You can, I think you can pass a flag to it. I think you can do like -- build to like do it. Ah, we did it. Okay, check. Damn, it's like we know what we're doing. Oh, no, I shouldn't have done this. I shouldn't have done this. I'm doing bad things right now. Scenarios. We go again. I'm addicted. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. I'm embarrassed. Okay. What did we just do? What was it called? Oh, can't scrape web server. Okay. How much do you press? Security snag. Mary and John are working on a Golang web application, and the security team has asked them to implement security measures. Unfortunately, they've broken the application. It no longer functions. They need your help to fix it. The fixed application should be able to allow clients to communicate with it. Let's do this one, just because. Let's just do it. No sleep. Yeah, no sleep. We're going till midnight. Who cares? Theo, wake up. I'm just kidding, buddy. You can stay sleeping. I'm so sorry. He looked at me like, bro, for real. I also need to keep farming your view hours, of course, right? This is why we're here. I need to keep farming your hours and, yeah, do all the things. Yes. Nice. Okay, another one. This IP address. Let us go back. What's the shortcut to delete like a whole word? Backspace. Was it like Alt backspace? Oh yeah. Okay. It's totally not the cause of addiction. Yeah. I'm addicted, man. I'm so sorry. You know, I never said I was a great person. Okay. I just try to be good. Okay. There's a Go application on this box and it's broken in some way. The application needs to be able to allow clients to communicate over port 7000 over HTTPS and serve static files. So nothing's running right now, like on port 7000 at least. Okay, let's do this. Cannot resolve host web app. Great. How am I supposed to know where this should be pointing to? Is there like any... $8080. I think this is like their own thing. These are like part of the SAD servers, I think. I don't have a script. Oh, you mean this agent script? I think this is just like for the... Oh, here you go. Yeah, this is a fun one. Is active web. Yeah. Okay, so let's do that. Web app. Web app is running. Here's its systemd unit file. It's getting permission denied, obviously. Let us look at... Oh, God, I don't have HX here. Okay. App cert is going to load this and this. Type simple user web app, group web app. It's going to start this web app file. Great. Okay. So this web app can't load these things. Neither can I. But I have root access here. Losers. Admin. Static files, admin, PKI root. Web app. I don't see any reason why I shouldn't just chmod this web app home web app. I don't see any reason why I should do that. Ch own, sorry. I don't see any reason not to do that, so I'm going to do it. Sudo system ctl status web app. Listening on port 7000. Was that really it? I hope that one wasn't just it. Okay, good. That wasn't just it. So let's see what the curl gives us. Cannot resolve host. Sudo vi etc hosts. Let's just put it in here. 127001 web app. Okay. So now we're resolving, and we're listening on, it's 7000, right? That's what it's trying to look for. Cat check. Yes, it is trying to look for this. Okay, cool. And service static files, return to concept of file. Okay, yeah, great. Curl's not working. Unable to get local issuer certificate. Blah, 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 blah. Amazing. Let's see what open SSL S client connect to web app on port 7000. What are you giving me back, buddy? So you're giving me back a cert. whose CN is web app, and whose issuer was from this demo CN. Cool. I think I just have to put you in my chain, but I'll figure that out. I don't remember the command all the time to decode this. SSL decoder. Oh, there he is. Yeah, issuer is a demo CA. Okay. So, your boy needs the demo CA issuer cert, which I'm guessing is in home web app PKI. Oh, I needed to keep that as admin too. No, I did stupid things. That's fine. We'll just go as root. The CA cert, server pem. That's the server pem. Server cert. CA cert. Cat. CA cert or no cat. Server cert. CA cert into full chain dot cert. Copy full chain dot cert into server cert. System CTL restart web app. Running. Okay. Drop back down to the user. Do a nice curl. Now. But now it should be sending me 2, right? It should be sending me. Oh, you're not sending me 2. Oh dear. Bad record, Mac. Okay. Yeah, so it does open these files, so it was going to use that. That's fine. Self-signed certificate and certificate chain. Yeah, okay. So I think I just have to add the CA to my system. What is this? It's GNU. Where does this stupid thing go? Home web app PKI CA user share update CA certificates Ubuntu or whatever, Debian, doesn't matter, same shit. It's like in share something. No, get out of here. User share, yeah. It's there. User local share. CA certificates. So put this guy there. Update CA certs. If added one, and now my curl works. It's like I know what I'm doing sometimes. But I got a 403 on this page. Okay, why am I getting forbidden on this thing? Okay, so this is using HP2, which should be fine. I don't know why am I getting forbidden here? Is it because I maybe messed up the permissions for the static files? Did I do that? Home, web app, static files. Web app, cat users. Did I mess these files up for some reason? Did I do stupid things? I mean, I'm always doing stupid things. But did I do stupid things here is the question. App static dir app cert app key. Yeah, it's going to serve files from here. Great. It's going to use that cert, use that key. That's done. It's going to run this with the web app user and group. Cool. I don't see... It should have permission to look at all this stuff. Because it owns these files now. I'm guessing it's running. It's running as that user. Correct. Am I missing something stupid? Open, permission denied. I didn't see a... No. Journal, CTL dash F dash U web app. .07 was the last log line. Okay, yeah, so it's trying to open these files and it's getting permission denied. Home, web app, static files, users, or just go here. I don't see, or like, is it get fackle, gets fackle? I forget what it's called. I don't see any file permission things there. Why would I get permission denied? I'm gonna just 7. I'll leave that as 5. 5. Okay, that's giving you read. Static files looks fine. Here, read and execute. That looks all good. What was the curl? This was the curl. What am I missing? What else causes permission denied for reading files? Open. This user, assuming this process is running as that user. Yeah, that's weird to me. it's running as the web app user. I think, right? Isn't that the syntax? Right, this person's user? Yeah, okay. So this PID is running as the web app user. What else keeps me from opening that file? I can do this. What do you all think? I have a process running as a user, has permissions for the static files, but it's still getting permission denied on them. Is there like, this is not a machine that has SE Linux. I don't know App Armor, so I don't know if there's anything like App Armor related here. I don't even know any of that system. If I go to the user itself, I can view the files like when I was at the user level. I don't see any special permissions here. I don't see any ACLs here, at least to my knowledge, because ACL I think I would say a plus after at the end. What else? Let me just make sure I'm at the right spot. Yeah, I did check it. That looks right? Yeah, that looks good. I'll show you real quick though. PSAUX. So systemctl status web app. This is the web app service. Oh yeah, did I? I don't think I changed it, but I'll just reload it. It's fine. Makes sense. Top status web app. So web app service is running as PID 3251. Isn't it like this? I don't remember the syntax. I don't remember the syntax for getting a specific PID off the top of my head. But it's running as web app user here. I see that here. Systemd slices. Is there anything there? No, that's usually used for like resources, not for that. Security. That's what I'm looking for. Fallback group limits namespace. I don't actually know where else that would be coming from. I did switch to the user it's running as. I actually didn't check like password though. Am I like doing something stupid? There's only one web app user. Doesn't have a shell, but that should be fine, right? I'll give it a shell. You want a shell, bro? I'll give you a shell. doesn't matter. No, I'm not really sure. I can hint this one. I actually don't know what I'm missing off the top of my head. How much time do I have left in this one? I have 42 minutes left. Okay, let's just do some extra research. Let's do a free ChatGPT. What can cause permission denied errors on Linux when opening a file that's owned by the user trying to open it? Let's see what AI says. Maybe AI is better than us. File permissions, we already checked. Attributes. I didn't see any attribute things, but I didn't explicitly check. I actually don't know. I don't know what to look for here. I don't know what this actually is telling me personally. SC Linux or App Armor. File system mount options. I didn't check mount options. That's a good one. But I can open the file as the user itself, so I don't think that's a problem. Can this really be an App Armor thing? I don't think this is an App Armor thing because I opened it directly. I didn't open it through the process that's running, but I opened it directly. So I don't think it's App Armor. Yeah, nothing in here screams like bad. This feels normal. Huh. See, I do one more thing. It's fine. Everyone's happy. No, see, this is what happens. You do one more, and then you're like, I'm just running through them, and then you do that one, and it just gets you. I'm gonna try to disable App Armor real quick. I've never used App Armor before, so I don't even know how to do the thing. Oh no. Okay, I don't know. 3 processes are in force mode. Okay. Okay. What does that mean to me? I've never used this shit before. App Armor. User local bin web app. We're in here. App Armor. PKR RR. Let's do static files are. I wonder if it does the whole directory. How do I like I can just do this, I guess. Restart web app. Curl. Forbidden. Oops, sorry. Keep hitting the wrong key. It's gotta be it's definitely App Armor. I just don't know the syntax for this, so let's hack at it for a second. Real path home. What was it? Static files users. Okay. I'm just gonna restart the app armor service. Why not? I don't. And then restart the other service, and then do the curl. Forbidden. Take out PKI and path. Oh, did I make typo? I didn't see. Oh, yeah, I did. I made typo. I make big typo. Yeah. I'm smart sometimes, you know. It's okay. I'm cool. We in there. Good call out. I didn't even see that I left the PKI in there. I thought I didn't, but whew, 28 minutes. That's not bad for never ever using app armor in my life. That's fair. That was not bad. I was very happy about that. That was a good one. I never used app armor before, but it makes sense. They were asked to implement security measures, and generally it's like enable SE Linux, enable app armor. So that was fun, and that brought us beyond midnight. So that's a good place to call it. And I'll stream again in the next coming days to do some extra work on the home lab. I want to get that DNS thing going, and then I think I'll move into CI/CD for it. Yeah, I think I need some CI/CD because I have a bunch of YAML manifests for my home lab. I'll show you. I have a bunch of personal home lab. I have a bunch of these YAML manifests that I've been deploying manually. I need to just like get this all in source control and automatically deploying. So I'll do that, I think, next stream. So that way I can move a little faster. And yeah, but not bad. We did some good stuff today. That was fun. It's nice to like do things that are a little bit less, you know, critical and just have fun with things. So this is good. Sweet. All right. Well, thank you all for hanging out with me. I've been trying to be good about scheduling the streams on YouTube, like, you know, because you can make the event and like it can show upcoming. So keep an eye there, and then I usually post about it on like social media. So if you want to like come and join, please do. And with that, enjoy your beautiful weekends, and I will see you online and stuff. Bye, everyone. I'm bigger now. Bye, everyone.